Right, Dreadysays, it's the I'm doing reviews in all kinds of the wrong order. I am that is a noisy goose. So we are looking at the Pantufla Barefoot shoes, or as everyone last weekend said, why are you wearing socks? To which I replied, how are your feet in those horrible big sweaty lumpy boots? Anyway, I win. Wore them all last weekend. That's a video for another time. This is perhaps one of the best use cases for it. I'm out on the nature reserve and maybe I want to do a portage and get out of the water, basically. So I know that it's pretty grimy, it's all squishy and squiggly. There's no foreign objects under there that I know of. There's the point, you see. So, oh, that's cold. First time this year I've actually been in. So, I'm gonna literally, if I was barefoot, that would be extremely slippy. And that would have been treacherous at best. So, there we have it. They will dry beautifully in the sun and I could get out there. I have tried to get out here before in barefoot and it was slippy and horrible. I'm not going to do it now because I don't want to fall in because it's cold and I'm still just coming into summer mode. So, pop back in. That is pretty squishy and squelchy. And I don't need to take them off. One thing I will do, obviously give them a bit of a dip, give them a bit of a wash. Now, the way I've got that camera strapped to the front of the board is a little bit rough and ready, so I can't do any artsy shots. I'm out here reviewing the Marcello 11-foot board, and I just thought I would share my experiences. Oh, they clean themselves, look. Brilliant. My experiences of these barefoot shoes. I drove here in them. Oh, and they just clean themselves with themselves. Wonderful, love it. Thank you so much to Pantufla for sending these over. They are now what I wear. That's probably a very unflattering shot. It is now my go-to. I haven't abandoned Wavers and the other brands. These are just a little bit more rugged. And this is an important one, the stinky test. Right, so I wore them all weekend. It was a bit wet, a bit miserable. They never truly dried. And what really surprised me is they didn't stink. Now, neoprene wetsuit boots, if you've ever worn them, I've got some very, very special wetsuit cleaning materials in the van just for neoprene boots because they reek. You just can't not get them to smell like something's died in there. But these, a little move, spot on. That's about as big a move as I've done all year. But anyway, that's it from me. Check out links down below if you want to grab a pair. But for SUP, you can't really go wrong. They get a huge, big old thumbs up from me. And there is a proper review coming. Where, I mean, I've kind of spoilt it by putting this one out first, but I've kind of been videoing little bits along the way. I'm on week 3 of owning them now, I think. And spoiler, things are looking good. Alright guys, you take care and we'll catch you for the next one.